This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL51 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for Northwest Ohio over station WXL51 from Holland on a frequency of 162.500 MHz. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, western Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Wood The urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Fulton and Henry. Tornado emergency for Napoleon, Ohio. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, southwestern Fulton County in northwestern Ohio, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed 8 miles northeast of Defiance and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Napoleon, Ohio. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Napoleon around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Liberty Center around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. McClure around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Swanton around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Okolona, Grelton, Gerald, Braley, Ridgeville Corners, Texas, Colton, and Florida. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying. The urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Fulton and Henry.